Okay, this is a quick video just to show the pivot track headset mount for the BOBOVR M2 Pro using the Koss Porta Pro drivers. So I bought these drivers. They just came in a little bag, just the driver themselves, off AliExpress for about £8. I then bought a white set of earphones off Amazon, cut the ends off and soldered them on. So I had to measure one side is shorter than the other. Obviously the side that connects in is slightly shorter to the other side, and then just feed it around the gasket, took it in, and that works quite well. The problem is there isn't an official holder you can get on Amazon that's really readily available or anything like that. So I made my own. So first of all, there's some existing designs for the Koss Porta Pro drivers, and there's some excellent designs called the pivot track. I took those designs and I've made my own version. I wanted something that's quick release, and this was because I used the headset within one of the official cases. I've got the official case for the BOBOVR, but anything sticking out on the sides here won't fit. So what did I come up with? This. Essentially what we've got is a mount that's designed to clip directly on to the side BOBOVR, and then what I call the mounting plate. This plate, I've done two versions, one which allows you to swivel the ear arm 45 degrees, or one that goes 90 degrees. This one goes 90 degrees, but the beauty here is when the arm is attached, you've got a quick release mechanism. Finally, the pin, again taken from an existing design but modified slightly, and then lastly the arm as well with a pivot track and a fixed mounting point. You'll need an M4 20mm. I've included a printable bolt as well. So let's go ahead and mount this in. So when you push this in, you want to line up the top of the pin in this quarter area here, otherwise it may snap. Now obviously if you're pushing really hard and this isn't going in, just use your deburring tool, take a little bit out until you start to feel it going in. This one is actually quite tough. And notice a little bar that sticks out as well. That's a bit of reinforcement to stop this mounting plate from splitting. So let's just try and push that in now. There we go. You'll see that that actually has cracked slightly there. So I should have deburred that. But the beauty is now that does actually work. It clicks through nicely. That'll be all right. Doesn't actually split there. So what we can do now is mount that onto there. Put the bolt in, bolt through. So put that on there, clip, take the earpiece, put that in there, and then lastly, on the mounted plate, there we go. So we now have BOBOVR M2, which can go up like that, down like that, pivots up and down, and it opens out as well. It goes in. And then when you need to quickly pack it away, you can just lift that out and you can tidy that away. Job done. There you go. Thanks for watching.